What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitzy, and today I'm in the building with another recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make your homemade crispy hot and spicy chicken wings. Alright? I hear somebody in the background saying I miss my KFC hot and spicy. But don't worry, no need to fear. Chef Fitzy is here. Alright? So stay tuned when I show you how to make your hot and spicy crispy wings. Alright?
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What do you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, so here we are about 1.5 pounds of chicken wings that I just purchased from the supermarket. We have 1 scrambled egg. We have a blended Scotch bonnet. Yeah, this is the Scotch bonnet that's gonna get your chicken real hot. You remember those days we usually get those nice hot and spicy wings at KFC? Where them days are gone. Don't worry, Chef Fitzy is here. Alright, we have some spices over here. We have some taco spice season. We have some chili powder. And also we have some all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, we have about a cup of all-purpose flour over here. Alright, so let's start season up the chicken. Because we are doing the chicken wings. We are doing this simple today, you know. Yeah, so let's add some black pepper, about ½ teaspoon black pepper. Yeah, add about a ¼ teaspoon salt, just to get a little taste. Yeah, remember most of the season them have been salt, you know. We're going to add about ½ teaspoon taco seasoning. Yeah, I want my chicken to taste nice, you know, so let's add ½ teaspoon. The same thing with the chili powder. If you remember closely your KFC chicken wings, them, you know, when them come out first time when they usually go and get it, them really usually hot. They wonder where the hotness gone. The hotness shriveled down. You see me? So let's add about 3 teaspoons of milk. Normal milk. Yeah? Good. Let's add this 1 Scotch bonnet pepper that we blend up. Let's add it, man. Eat some spice. Let's add the egg too. Yeah, man. They must be crazy today. I go make sure this thing spin good and marinated for about ½ an hour. Add a little bit of all-purpose too. I don't want everything to taste spicy, you know. So we add about ½ teaspoon of this all-purpose. So we're gonna leave this to marinate for about ½ an hour. Make that spice kind of soak in your chicken wings, yeah? Alright? So over here we are going to make our flour, season our flour. So add some all-purpose, about ½ teaspoon. Yeah, play one you think to be spicy. Alright? We're going to add some black pepper, about ½ teaspoon. The cornstarch, yeah? So the cornstarch is one of the things that give that yellow look and that flakiness. Alright? So we have about ½ teaspoon of cornstarch. Yeah? And we are going to stir this nicely. Let's add a little bit, about ½ teaspoon of this Maggi spice thing, no? Maggi make the best spice. I'm telling you. Add ½ teaspoon of it. Yeah, we're gonna mix up this nicely. Ready to put our chicken in now. Alright? I want our chicken to taste crispy and spicy. And that way I go for today. And the end product must be nice. The end product must be nice. Alright? So your flour ready. The chicken I want go and marinate in your season and everything, you know. This is an easy way to prepare your crispy fried wings. So make them go and marinate it. Alright? Soon at the pot. Alright, welcome back. So our wing has been marinated for the last hour and a half. Alright? We have our flour over here already seasoned. So catch the trick of it now. We're going to move our wings to the flour. Good? We're going to kind of give it a nice little coat, yeah? Nice little coat. So we're going to shake it off. We're going to put it back in the season. Right? And then you put it back in the flour. So we are get a double coat. Alright? So this helps to build up the contents of the crispiness of the chicken wing. Alright? So we throw out the excess flour, shake out the excess flour, and then we place it over here on a nice little plate. So we do the same thing to all our wings then. We double coat them, Flour, seasoned flour, back into that, back into this, back into the flour. Nice. Shake off the excess flour and get it ready. Alright, so we're going to repeat the process till all our wings then has been coated. So this is the trick of it. Put on the double coat of flour on it that it's able to hold the spiciness from it. Alright, back into this. Good. Back into this again. We want to get our chicken then real hot and spicy. So I miss those days. I usually go KFC, you know, and get those spicy, crispy wings. But now it come like the pepper where them I use at KFC. Shrivel down. Now I get those spicy wings no more. So what? I go and research and invent my own spicy wings. Right? So more you guys try it, you know. More you guys try it and let me know. Give me the feedback. Give me the feedback. Because I know a lot of people when them do them wings like this, KFC, they get a break. Alright? So we're going to repeat the process for all of our wings. Alright, so over here we have our pot heated with a cup of corn oil. Yeah? So we try to ensure that we add as much oil because we keep frying our wings. Yeah? This is our wings nicely coated already, ready to put into the pot. So let's check the pot and see if it's hot now. You can put your spoon in here. Yeah man. So we're frying these wings on medium heat. Yeah? So let's put in our wings. Yep. And try not to overcrowd your pot because you need your wings of space that they can fry properly. Yeah? A lot of people like crowd up their pot. Then you end up lose all the flakiness off of your wings, yeah? Yeah man. But that amount is good for your wings. Alright? So you're gonna leave them to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. The first 5 minutes you turn it. And then you go back and you turn it again. So about 5 to 10 minutes basically can complete your wing set. Alright? So after 5 minutes you're going to turn it and say look. So after the first 5 minutes let's turn our wing and look how them look. See how them look crispy? Yeah. This is how you want your wings them to look, yeah? Those days, man. Look at your wings then, how them look. And remember, look at how beautiful them look, yeah? This is how you want your wings them to look. Crispy and ready. Spicy. So after 10 minutes, we're going to remove our first set of wings. Yeah? Look on the crunch. Look at it. Yeah? Look at how crispy they look. Come out of the iron. Yeah? Look how crunchy them look. crispy and spicy. Ready to serve up with some nice ketchup. I don't think you even need no hot and spicy sauce, yeah? Because the more spice, look at how they're crispy, man. Yeah, man. Alright, so let's put in the other set. And there you have it. Your homemade KFC hot and spicy wing. Look at how beautiful it is, man. Yeah? You see how crispy them is? Look at how gorgeous. Yeah, this reminds me of those days we usually get those nice hot and spicy wing at KFC. I hope you guys enjoy my cooking show. Continue to subscribe. I think I'm 99 subscribers today. Yeah? So when you watch this, anyone watch this, make sure to subscribe. I think today I'm gonna make my 100 subscriber. Yeah, man. You guys continue to love my show. Yeah? And hope you try this recipe. Your homemade hot and spicy KFC wings. Enjoy the rest of the day. I'm out.
Hey, don't know.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread